there! Welcome to Tech World GBA, your go-to channel for all things tech. If you love staying updated with the latest in technology, gadgets, and tutorials, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our informative videos. Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking productivity because let's be real, nobody wants to spend more time than they have to stuck on a spreadsheet. We're diving deep into the world of Microsoft Excel and I'm hooking you up with 20 keyboard shortcuts that are going to change your workflow. Whether you're just starting out with Excel or you've been using it for years, trust me, there's something here for everyone. These tips and tricks are all about speed and efficiency. So grab your laptops, open up Excel, and let's jump right into it. By the end of this video, you'll be navigating Excel like a pro. Alright, let's kick things off with the classic Ctrl+C for copy. It's the foundation of so many workflows, not just in Excel, but pretty much everywhere. Select the cell or range of cells you want to copy, hold down the Ctrl key and press C. You'll notice there's a subtle visual cue that tells you it's copied, that dotted line around the selection. That's Excel's way of saying got it, ready to paste whenever you are. And speaking of pasting, that brings us to our next shortcut. Ctrl+V paste, the perfect companion to Ctrl+C. Once you've copied your data, navigate to the cell where you want to paste it. Hit Ctrl+V and boom, instant transfer. But here's where things get really cool. Excel gives you options. You can paste everything, formulas, formatting, the whole shebang. Or you can use the paste special options to paste only the values, formats, or even transpose your data. Now let's talk about moving data around like a pro with Ctrl+X. This shortcut is all about efficiency. Select the cell or range of cells you want to move. Hit Ctrl+X. Notice how the selection becomes dotted, just like with copy, but this time it's a bit different. Now all you have to do is navigate to your target cell, hit Ctrl+V, and watch as Excel seamlessly relocates your data. It's like magic, but better because it actually works. We've all been there, that heart-stopping moment when you realize you've just made a mistake in Excel, but fear not, because Ctrl+Z is here to save the day. This unassuming shortcut is your safety net, your rewind button, your get-out-of-jail-free card. Made a typo? Ctrl+Z. Accidentally deleted a formula? Ctrl+Z. Seriously, this shortcut is a lifesaver. You can press it multiple times to undo multiple actions. Okay, so you've mastered Ctrl+C, the undo button, but what happens when you undo a little too much? That's where Ctrl+Y comes in. It's the redo to your undo, the yang to your yin. If you've used Ctrl+Z to undo an action and then you realize you actually wanted that action after all, just hit Ctrl+Y. It's like taking a step back in time, then deciding to step right back to the future. Just remember, Ctrl+Y only works after you've used Ctrl+Z. Ever had a massive spreadsheet and you need to find specific information, like a specific number, a name, or even a date? Well, that's where Ctrl+F comes in. It's like having a search bar built right into Excel. Hit Ctrl+F and a small search bar will pop up. Type in what you're looking for, hit enter, and Excel will highlight every instance of that data in your spreadsheet. No more scrolling through endless rows and columns, hoping to stumble upon what you need. Now, let's say you want to replace specific data in your spreadsheet. Maybe you need to update all instances of a product name or correct a typo that's been haunting your spreadsheet. Whatever the case, Ctrl+H is your new best friend. Hit Ctrl+H and you'll see a dialog box pop up with two fields, Find What and Replace With. In the Find What field, type in the data you want to replace. In the Replace With field, type in the new data. Sometimes you just need to select everything. All the data, all the cells, the whole enchilada. That's where Ctrl+A comes in. Hit Ctrl+A and watch as every single cell in your worksheet gets selected. From there, you can apply formatting, insert charts, or perform any other action to your entire dataset. It's incredibly useful, especially when you're working with large datasets. Let's talk about making your data pop. Ctrl plus B is your go-to shortcut for adding some emphasis to your text by making it bold. Select the cell or range of cells containing the text you want to bold, hit Ctrl plus B, and boom, your text is now bolder than ever. It's a subtle change, but it can make a big difference in terms of readability and visual appeal. Want to add a touch of elegance to your spreadsheets? Ctrl plus I is here to help. This shortcut lets you italicize text, giving it a more sophisticated look and feel. Just like with Ctrl plus B, select the text you want to italicize, hit Ctrl plus I, and watch as your text takes on a whole new level of sophistication. It's perfect for headings, labels, or any other text you want to stand out from the crowd. We've covered bold, we've covered italics. Now let's talk about underlining. Ctrl plus U is the shortcut you need to add a line under your text, making it clear and easy to read. Select the text you want to underline, hit Ctrl plus U, and bam! You've got yourself some underlined text. It's great for headings, important data points, or anything else you want to draw attention to. So you've spent hours crafting the perfect spreadsheet, and now it's time to share your masterpiece with the world. Or at least with your colleagues. Ctrl plus P is the magic shortcut that brings your spreadsheet from the digital realm to the physical world of paper. Hitting Ctrl plus P opens up the print dialog box where you can choose your printer, select the pages you want to print, adjust the layout, and more. Listen up, because this is important. Ctrl plus S is arguably the most important shortcut in all of Excel, if not all of computing. This is the one that saves your work so you don't lose all your progress. Seriously, hit Ctrl plus S right now. Make it a habit to hit Ctrl plus S every few minutes. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Sometimes you just need a fresh start, a blank canvas, a new spreadsheet to call your own. That's where Ctrl plus N comes in. This shortcut creates a brand new workbook, ready for all your data, formulas, and formatting dreams. Hit Ctrl plus N, and a blank workbook will appear before your very eyes. Time to open up an existing workbook. Ctrl plus O is your gateway to the world of spreadsheets you've already created. Hit Ctrl plus O, and you'll be greeted with a familiar dialog box that lets you browse your computer for the spreadsheet you're looking for. It's like having a library of spreadsheets at your fingertips. Finished with a spreadsheet and ready to move on? Ctrl and W is the shortcut you need to close the current workbook. No need to go digging through menus, just hit Ctrl and W and you're done. But wait, before you hit that shortcut, make sure you've saved your work. Remember Ctrl and S? Use it. Let's talk about making your spreadsheets look as good as they function. Ctrl and 1 is the gateway to the Format Cells dialog box, where you can customize the look and feel of your cells. Want to change the font, size, or color of your text? Ctrl and 1. Need to add borders, shading, or alignment? Ctrl and 1. This shortcut gives you complete control over the appearance of your spreadsheets. Want to take your spreadsheet organization to the next level? Ctrl plus T is the shortcut for you. This little gem lets you create a table from your selected data, complete with headers, filters, and a whole bunch of other cool features. Select the data you want to turn into a table, hit Ctrl plus T, and watch as Excel works its magic. Want to add a link to a website, another file, or even an email address to your spreadsheet? Ctrl plus K is your new best friend. Select the cell where you want to insert the hyperlink, hit Ctrl plus K, and paste in the URL. Need to add the current date to your spreadsheet? Don't waste time manually typing it in or going through the date picker. Ctrl plus is here to save the day. Just hit Ctrl plus, and Excel will automatically insert the current date into the selected cell. That's it! Those are 20 Excel shortcuts that are going to completely change the way you work. We covered everything from the basics of copying and pasting to more advanced techniques like creating tables and inserting hyperlinks. Now, I know that was a lot of information, but the key is to practice. Just pick a few that you think will be most useful to you and start using them in your daily workflow. And hey, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our informative videos. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you.